Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. I think this is the top. Okay, we have a manifest. How do we want to do this? I guess we can do it this way for now. Okay, first up, so Army Navy Outdoors. They do itemize their manifest and give you a little helpful picture. So this is a surplus Molle 2 USMC tactical vest fighting load carrier with zipper, Coyote brown. I just want to double check against the manifest here. There are 2 pages printed out, but there's nothing on there. So, okay. Get this open real quick. Looks new. Big US letters on the front. Big zipper. Through the thick area right there where the belt is. And let's get this out here. There it is. So there's our main waist buckle for the belt. Across the chest, well, mid-chest. Got our shoulder straps, cross back, top of the back, shoulders area. Adjustment cinches. And then the back area. Here we got D-rings here and here. Attaching stuff. It's cool. USMC tactical vest, FLC, Molle 2. Next up, let's see what we grab here. No particular order. Military issue Molle entrenching tool shovel cover used. So you can see your main buckle for the flap here, and then your tool blade end would go through there. There's your Molle attachments, and the label's pretty faded, a little bit of a damage there, and it's hard to read, but it's more for the application than the details. Got this one for. So, Molle entrenching tool shovel cover used. Next up, let's see what we got here. Okay, I believe these are the same. These are 2 military issue Coyote Flashbang Molle pouch, surplus grade 2 used. They look fine to me. There's your Molle right there. The snaps. Not getting a good grip. Grommets at the bottom. I'm getting this open. Let's see if I get the other one open. Yeah, there's lettering. Let's read that. And this one, oh, there we go. Same thing. So, 2 of the Molle Coyote Flashbang pouches. Next, we have 4 of these. USMC M67 hand grenade pouch, military surplus. We'll just take a look here at this one. Grommets at the bottom. And there's your lettering and the sun number, etc. This one's a little different. You can see how there's a slight variation in the colors there on the end fabric on the hems, and same part numbers, just different series. Likewise these 2. So 4 of the USMC M67 hand grenade pouches. Next up, getting some of the larger items. So this one's on top. Has a label, but it's faded. This is a Polish military M93 Camo Rucksack. Let's give this a going over right away. I see rubberized bottom. Not sure what that used to say. That's really faded. Nice soft material. We got metal buckles here. They are steel. Okay, this is the kind of the inner bag that can be tucked in. This label is pretty faded. I do see a handwritten E there, if that's what that is. Let's quickly look on the inside. See reinforcement points already for the straps. And if I get to the bottom, no, I'm just feeling the rubberized bottom from the other side. While we're at it, we can see where the shoulder straps are attached with these metal buckles. Let's see. All steel, including D-rings. You can see the reinforcement strip right there. Shoulder straps, you can see how they are stitched into this reinforcement strap. Big X stitches. And the adjustment buckles, also steel. There's our flap that goes over the bag area if I tuck this in, I'm assuming. And there's also drawstring, kind of a big old bootlace style fabric drawstring, and then the flap. These are these straps, cut ends, and again going to these metal buckles here at the bottom. So pretty simple. Polish military M93 Camo Rucksack. And then right here, last item but not least, Alice Equipment Radio Backpack Military Surplus. So we can see a couple repairs done already. Plastic buckles there. These are also plastic. So the number stencil sprayed onto there. Very cool. Very cool. Here we got shoulder straps with the orange threading. Interesting. Plastic. Metal snap there. You can see a little bit of the coloration difference used in the different web material. Going to the lower part, big drainage grommets at the bottom, padded rubberized bottom, because again this is a radio pack. You can see the dimensions are thin for the large board style radio. Inside the flap, this clear pocket with additional kind of cloth scabbards, assuming for spare antenna. So, hang on, tuck this away real quick. And I'll lose that. And 2 cross straps, secure your radio, and also there's a strap at the bottom, keep it. A couple of straps down here. I don't know if you can see them. You can probably just see the tips in my hand right there. Also this flap right here. So there's the inner cloth flap there as well. Side pouch, also probably for more antennas and wires, connectors on both sides. Snap secured with flap there. And this one is actually a smaller one. So, let's see this being the back. We also have this lower pocket down here, also rubberized, and it is strapped closed, and I don't feel any separators on the inside. So, let's see if we can arrange these a little better. This is an Alice equipment radio backpack, military surplus. We still have a Polish M93 Camo rucksack. That particular order. Let's see, we also had 4 of these Coyote M67 hand grenade pouch USMC, 4 of those, plus 2 of these 2 right here, 2 of the Coyote Flashbang Molle pouch. We also have a grade 2 oh, this one is the Molle Entrenching tool shovel cover used. And then we had started off with the Coyote Molle 2 Fighting Load Carrier FLC. This one being the USMC version. So these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out with their large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.